Hello and welcome to beautiful MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is David Hoffman and we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX. As you can see, this boat does have the Sea Ray blue hull-side color. It also is equipped with the Mercury 250 V8 in the optional white. As we step aboard, we can see that it does have the sea deck matting on the swim platform and the walk-through area. Cool feature on this boat, because of an outboard, just becomes a lot of storage here underneath. It does have the backrest here for lounging. And we put that down and we can lift this up. Abundant storage and storage for the two tables that are on this boat. Great ample seating on this boat, nice L shape here, along with a little bench on the port side, along with two captain's chairs. Part of this, we have the integrated cooler. And as we move forward, we do have the Simrad flush mounted GPS and instrumentation screen. This does have the Fusion stereo system. And we move over to the port side, we do have porta potty. This boat is equipped with the sports tower along with the integrated bimini top. As we move forward again, we do have the optional fill-in cushion here for the bow area and ample storage underneath. This is our 2019 Sea Ray 230 SPX. If you'd like to see this boat or any other, please give me a call here or stop by MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.